Ugh, I've been studying English for years, but every time I try to speak, I freeze. I keep translating everything from Vietnamese in my head, and it just takes forever.
Yeah, that's super common. Let me guess. You know the grammar. You've learned a ton of vocabulary. But when it comes to speaking, your brain just goes blank?
Exactly. It's so frustrating. I want to speak naturally, but something's missing.
Sounds like you're stuck in translation mode. Have you ever tried thinking English?
Thinking in English? Isn't that too advanced for me?
Not at all. It's actually one of the best ways to become fluent faster. Let me explain why. So here's the thing. When you constantly translate from your native language to English, your brain has to work overtime. Step 1, think in Vietnamese. Step 2, translate. Step 3, speak. That's slow.
Exactly. And sometimes the sentence you want to say in Vietnamese doesn't even make sense in English.
Right. That's why thinking directly in English skips the translation. It saves time, helps you build real fluency, and gets your brain used to English patterns. Think about how kids learn language. They don't translate. They associate words directly with meaning. That's how you want your brain to work too.
But how do I start? My brain is so used to Vietnamese.
Don't worry. You can train your brain step by step. Let me show you how. There are 4 simple levels you can follow. Level 1, words. Start by naming objects around you. In English, example, table, phone, cup, blue shirt, rainy day.
So just one word at a time?
Exactly. Build that habit first. Level 2, phrases. Move to short phrases. Example, I'm hungry. It's cold today. I need to study.
Should I say it out loud?
Say it out loud or silently in your mind. The point is to think in English. Level 3, full sentences. Start describing your actions. Example, I'm walking to the kitchen. I'm making coffee. I'm read a book now.
It's like narrating my life in English.
Exactly. You're training your brain to build real-time sentences. Level 4, conversations with yourself. Have pretend conversations in your head, or even out loud. Ask questions and answer them. Example, what do I want for lunch? Maybe noodles. Or should I eat rice? I had rice yesterday. Let's go with noodles.
That sounds fun, like talking to myself, but in English.
Exactly. And no one will judge you because it's in your head. Real life example. Let's try it now. I'll guide you. Imagine you just woke up. Tell me what you're doing in English.
Okay, I open my eyes. I feel sleepy. I check my phone.
Great. Keep going.
I see it's 7 a.m. I don't want to get up, but I have class today.
Perfect. That's exactly how you start. Thinking in English. Do that throughout the day. Here are some more tips. 1. Set a no translation rule for 10 minutes a day. 2. Use English to English dictionaries to learn new words. 3. Watch English videos with subtitles and repeat what you hear. 4. Keep a journal in English. Even short sentences are great. 5. Talk to yourself in front of a mirror. Weird bit effective.
Wow, I've been overthinking it. These are simple and doable.
Exactly. It's a mindset shift. You're not just learning English, you're living it.
I feel excited again. For the first time, English feels like something I can actually live with, not just study.
That's the power of thinking in English. Don't aim for perfection, aim for progress. A little every day adds up fast.
From now on, I'll think in English, even if it's just small sentences.
That's the spirit. Fluency isn't about knowing every word. It's about training your brain to stay in English.
Let's do this.
Okay, you've made the decision to think in English. That's awesome. But let's be real. What happens when you get stuck?
Yeah, sometimes I don't know the English word for something, and then my brain just gives up.
Totally normal. But don't stop the thought process. Here's what to do instead. Tip 1. Use simple words you already know. Don't try to sound fancy. Use the most basic words you can. Example, instead of, I was utterly exhausted after my intensive workout, just say, I was very tired after exercise.
That makes sense. Just keep the flow going.
Tip 2. Describe it another way. Let's say you forgot the word microwave. Just say, it's that machine I use to heat food quickly.
Ah, so instead of stopping, I just explain it.
Exactly. It keeps your brain thinking in English. Tip 3. Don't translate. Guess instead. Instead of translating from Vietnamese, try to guess the word or use body language if you're talking.
So just stay in English mode, no matter what.
Yes, even making mistakes is better than switching back. Tip 4. Use tools wisely. Use English to English dictionaries like Cambridge or Oxford. Avoid bilingual ones if possible. And apps like Google Images. Search the word to visualize it. Youglish. Hear real-life sentence examples. Anki or Quizlet for spaced repetition practice.
Ooh, I'll check those out.
Tip 5. Don't waiting until you know every word. Spoiler alert, you'll never know every word. Even native speakers don't.
True. I still hear Vietnamese words I've never heard before.
Same with English. So don't let that stop you. Work with what you know. Tip 6. Don't thinking you're too beginner to try. Thinking in English is not an advanced skill. It's a daily habit anyone can start.
I love that. Progress over perfection.
So, Anna, imagine this. You stick with this habit for 30 days. You think in English every day, just 10 minutes a day. What changes?
I think I'd stop translating so much. Maybe I'd start dreaming in English?
That happens. You'd also respond faster in conversation. Like instead of pausing to think, the word just come.
Honestly, I'd feel more confident. Like, I belong in the language.
Exactly. And after 30 days, English becomes part of your thinking self.
I'm going to try that challenge. 30 days, every day.
Let's call it the Think in English 30-Day Challenge. Anyone watching, join with us. Write "I'm in the comments. And if you've watched this far, tell us in the comments. What was the hardest part? What helped you? Let's help each other grow, one thought at a time.
Thinking in English isn't about being perfect. It's about practice, patience, and progress. So take the pressure off. Make English part of your thoughts, your day, your life. We believe in you. Now go out there and think in English. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment below. We and everyone will share with you. See
See
you
you
in
in
the
the
next
next video.
video.